Spinning up your very own virtual private server or VPS at DigitalOcean, Linode, AWS, or one of the thousands of cloud server providers is an excellent way of hosting a WordPress site. You can get a powerful server and have your WordPress sites served lightning fast at an affordable price, all while maintaining complete control over your server. The problem is that setting up and maintaining a VPS can be a huge hassle and is time-consuming, even for experienced developers. You could use a pre-configured machined image at your provider, like DigitalOcean's one-click install. Just don't expect to be able to add additional sites to that server easily or upgrade PHP in the future. Not to mention that these images often use older software versions and aren't well-tuned for WordPress. You could create your own Ansible script for setting up a server, but then you have to maintain that script and probably need to update it the next time you need to use it. You could use an open source Ansible script like Trellis, but then what happens when things go sideways? You're on your own. You could use an old, difficult to use control panel like Plesk or cPanel, but then you have your control panel running on a server like it's 1999. You could use one of those more modern cloud-based control panels, but they aren't designed specifically for WordPress. If you're looking to effortlessly set up a VPS to host your WordPress sites super fast and actually enjoy maintaining them into the future, SpinupWP is the modern control panel for you. With SpinupWP, you get speed and control without breaking the bank. You can manage all of your WordPress sites easily from one place. Get help when you need it with our team of expert developers and sysadmins. Copy, stage, and deploy fast WordPress websites in minutes, not hours. And you can host your clients' websites easily and affordably, adding precious reoccurring revenue to your agency or freelance business. SpinupWP makes all of this possible with powerful features such as easy site cloning and staging, quickly move a site to another server, caching configured out of the box, git push to deploy, server and site security, including automatic security updates, scheduled site backups, free SSL and TLS certificates, REST API and PHP SDK, team access and user management, and a whole lot more. The best part? It's trusted by a ton of professionals who know servers inside and out. Even our documentation has become a fan favorite. But enough talk, let's spin up a new server and add a new site. Now, once we've started our free trial of SpinupWP, the first thing we need to do is connect a VPS provider. Fortunately, SpinupWP works with any VPS. If SpinupWP can connect to it via SSH, it will work. If you already have a server, this is where you can connect it. For this example, we use our DigitalOcean account, showing off our special integration with DigitalOcean. With a single click, we can authorize DigitalOcean to connect to our SpinupWP account. Now that the account has been connected successfully, we're ready to spin up our server on DigitalOcean through SpinupWP. As we can see, SpinupWP provides us with all the server options DigitalOcean offers. All we have to do is pick one, configure the database and hostname, and SpinupWP will handle the rest. Just grab a coffee, sit back, and allow SpinupWP to set up all the software and fine-tuning everything you need to run high-speed WordPress websites. Once the server has been created successfully, we're ready to install our first WordPress site. To do this, we'll click Add Site. From there, SpinupWP helps guide us through all the necessary options for the site. We need to provide our domain, set up HTTPS, choose how we want WordPress installed, then the rest of the default options are probably good. If you like, you can customize the database name, user and password, change the system user, switch the PHP version, and turn off page caching. Now that we've configured our site, we let SpinupWP work its magic. And that's it, a new fresh WordPress install set up on our blazing fast VPS server. Sign up for your free trial and spin up your first server today on SpinupWP.